Hi, I'm Maureen with Pike Nurseries. When trees or tall buildings block the sun in your yard or on your patio, it can be challenging to grow a garden. But don't worry, there are tons of plants that thrive in the shade. Before selecting plants, you first need to know how much sun or how little sunlight you get. Full shade is 3 or less hours of direct sun per day. This may also be referred to as dappled or filtered light, like what you would see under a tree canopy. Partial shade is 4 to 6 hours of sun in the morning, with shade in the afternoon. Next, you want to plan for year-round interest in your shade garden. Choose a mix of different shrubs and flowers and foliage plants that will provide blooms or texture at different times of the year. Popular spring plants for shade include begonias, impatiens, astilbe, and ferns like Boston and Kimberly Queen. Shade-loving shrubs like azaleas, rhododendrons, and hydrangeas will also bloom in spring. For summer, shade-loving flowers include fuchsia, peonies, and spiderwort, plus foliage plants like caladiums, hostas, and Coleus thrive in summer shade. In the fall, autumn ferns and Heuchera provide color and texture, and blooms like Cyclamen and violas are great replacements for spent summer annuals. There are even winter plants for your shade garden. Helleborus and shrubs like camellias and fragrant Daphne bloom in the winter. Ready to start your own shade garden? Our certified experts are always ready to answer your questions and help you select the perfect plants. And for more garden tips, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.